What we do have today is rain. And what we're not gonna have today is regret. Last week we did the catback dual performance exhaust on the 2019 GMC Sierra, and I really regret not showing the install, so right now, here we go. I'm gonna show you the install on the catback dual exhaust. That is exactly what I wanted. Woo! That thing gonna look bad.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna tell you what.
Oh man, I'm gonna tell you what. I can't wait for that thing to come out. While those guys are finishing up on cleaning up the vehicle, I'm gonna show you guys our brand new SLE. That's another thing that we're gonna accomplish today. We're gonna show you guys the brand new 2019 GMC Sierra, the SLE package. This is the first one that we got. Yeah guys, so just checking this thing out. It looks pretty similar to the Denali. We're missing the center there, but still have all the buttons, still have the push button start. Instrument cluster looks exactly the same. Let's check out these seats. Storage, lockable storage. That's the same as the old body style. And then you did get a new seat. Feels pretty hard, honestly. If you want an honest opinion, it does feel pretty hard. But bolsters are nice, pretty flat. And yeah. SLE package, baby, come on. I just noticed it does look like it's gonna have wood grain on the door panels. So you got a little bit of wood grain there, and then, come on, focus. And then you've got leather the whole way up the top of the dash, which is pretty nice around the dash. A lot of things are comparable to the Denali package, as well as the old body style. A lot of things are similar in this body style, interior anyways, as what the old body style was. We got that flip seat that I showed you guys earlier. I mean, that's stuff that we had before, so it's just kind of nice to have some of that old stuff. This is also our first truck in Cardinal Red, which I like to call Fire Red, but yeah, first red truck we got. Does have the nice black 22s. Come on. Yeah, there's the back of the SLE. And then again, we did add these wheels and tires, guys. They're not standard wheels and tires. We did add those. And yeah, there's a side profile. Once these guys get done cleaning up this truck, I'm gonna show you guys what that catback dual exhaust sounds like. Hopefully we can hammer it a little bit more, just because that other one was sold. We were pretty light on it. So let's hammer down on this catback exhaust. If you have made it this far in the video, my name's Cody Reed. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. And one more thing, Bob in Minnesota, thank you so much for sending us this crazy weather. It's been raining, it's been sleeting, the sun's been out. We've had windy. We've had everything today. Just wanna mention here real quick that there is not much to the install, right? They took the bolts out, they lifted the old one out, and they put the new one in, took the bolts, screwed those in. So install process went pretty smoothly this morning. Did not take long at all. These guys are pros. I'm not the pro, they're the pro. The exhaust systems that General Motors ships on the vehicles, even though we're gonna be taking them off, is the standard stock exhaust. And I will say, these things are like paper thin compared to the one that they put on. The new one is ultra thick, so if there's any added value there, obviously we're gonna get the sound, which you're gonna hear in a second, but you're also gonna have a lot thicker exhaust. Stock ones, paper thin. I'm gonna leave you guys with two things. I'm gonna leave you with the exhaust clip, and I'm also gonna leave you with a second video to go check out. I want you to go, after my end screens pop up, I want you to click that little video. It's the catback dual exhaust video that I did last week. You might have seen it at the beginning of the video. Only after you've watched that video, if you've liked that video, then hit the subscribe button, then hit the like button. How about that? Here's your exhaust videos. I hope you guys have a great day. My name is Cody Reed. Every week I'm giving you guys new videos. Appreciate you stopping by. See y'all later. It's found its home, at least for the time being.